If you work with spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc, knowing how to add notes to cells can make your files much easier to understand and manage. Notes are perfect for leaving reminders, explanations, data references, or extra context for yourself and anyone else who opens the sheet later. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a note to any cell in LibreOffice Calc step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program launches, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet if you want to start a new spreadsheet. If you already have a file open, you can simply open your existing spreadsheet and work from there. The process is the same either way, so use whichever option matches what you're doing. Now look for the cell where you want to add your note. This could be a cell with a number, a label, a formula, or any important piece of data. When you found the right cell, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu gives you several options for editing and working with that cell. From the menu, click Insert Comment. In LibreOffice Calc, this is the feature used to add notes to cells. Depending on your version, it may also be labeled as a comment, but it works as the note area attached to that cell. Once you click it, a note box will appear. Now type your note into the box. Keep it clear and useful. For example, you might explain where the number came from, what a formula means, or why a specific value was entered. This is especially helpful when you're sharing a spreadsheet with a team or saving it for future use, because you won't have to remember every detail later. After typing your note, click outside the cell to save it. That's all you need to do. The note will now stay attached to that cell, and LibreOffice Calc will keep it there until you edit or delete it. You'll also notice a small marker on the cell, which shows that the cell contains a note. That marker is useful because it lets you quickly identify which cells have extra information attached to them. If you want to view the note later, you can usually hover over the cell or click it again, depending on your settings and version of LibreOffice. This makes notes a great way to organize your spreadsheet without cluttering the visible data on the page. Instead of adding extra columns or long explanations directly into your sheet, you can keep the main data clean and still include helpful details where needed. So, to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create your Calc spreadsheet, right-click the cell, choose Insert Comment, type your note, and then click outside the cell to save it. In just a few seconds, you can add useful context to any cell in your spreadsheet. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.